The next is that the scheme of DNA fingerprinting or the actual process of the technique there are performed in the laboratory is that the first is that we are the isolating a drop of blood or semen or the piece of hair root of any tissue can be used to isolate the DNA. Okay, we are already discussed in the hair, in some tissues, in this the some body fluids like the vaginal swabs. Okay, like the blood, it also contain the DNA. In this the after we are isolating this the sample, then the next step is that the isolation of DNA. Firstly, sample collect. Firstly, the collect the sample like blood, hair root, tissues, body fluids. Okay, body fluids. After this, the next step is that the isolation of DNA. Because our the important point is that the DNA fingerprinting is a DNA profiling. We are studying the DNA. Okay, in this the we are aim is that the DNA isolation. Isolation of DNA, it is the next step for the DNA fingerprinting. Then the DNA next is that the DNA extended from the sample using the proteinase K and diethiol. जेव्हा आपल्याला प्युअर फॉर्ममध्ये DNA आयसोलेशन करायचं असेल तर तेव्हा आपल्याला आणखी एक प्रोटीनेस के enzyme are also using, and the another is that the diethiol is a chemical are also using for the DNA isolation purposes. Further phenolchloroform extraction and then enable plus sodium acetate precipitation is also carry out for the purification of DNA. Okay, these are the some chemical, some enzymes are using for their DNA purification. Then to the next is that third step is that purification of DNA using the different chemicals, but these the chemicals are do not harboring the our sample DNA. It is a precaution. Next step is that the DNA is digested with the suitable restriction enzymes. Okay, we are already discussing the first unit. There are the restriction endonucleases eating the molecular scissors. It is using for the molecular cutting. So it is also using for the DNA digested. Okay, in this the DNA digested, it cuts the DNA fairly frequently but not within a mini satellite sequences. लक्षात घ्या पॉइंट काय आहे, जेव्हा आपण DNA कट्स करणार, इन दिस द कट वी आर precaution that we not cutting the mini satellite sequences of that of the sample, because our the main point of the DNA fingerprinting, the probes we are designing that are binding to that of the mini satellite sequences of the DNA, and these the mini satellite sequences we are confirming that that DNA it is distinguishing from the that organisms. Okay, so it is a precaution, we are cutting the DNA, so we are protect our mini satellite sequences of that of the DNA. Fourth point is that the cutting of DNA with restriction enzyme, cutting of DNA with RE restriction enzyme, but precaution is that we are protect our the mini satellite sequences. जेव्हा आपण DNA ची फ्रॅगमेंट करतो त्याच्यात लक्ष काळजीपूर्वक आपल्याला कोणती टेक्निक्स यूज करावी लागेल. सो वी आर नॉट कटिंग द मिनी सॅटेलाइट सिक्वेन्सेस ऑफ दॅट DNA. The next is that the resulting DNA fragments are separated by the gel electrophoresis. We all know about the gel electrophoresis. It is a separating process according to the molecular size and the charges of that the molecule. Okay, next process is that the इथं मी राइट डाउन करतो gel electrophoresis. What is the purpose of the gel electrophoresis? For their separation of their bands of DNA. Gel electrophoresis. Next step is that the gel electrophoresis. Then to the next process is that the mini satellite sequences presented in this the fragment are detected, screened by using the complementary multiple locus or the single locus probes. Okay, we are designing our the probes, and this is the cutting the DNA. After this the gel electrophoresis, it containing the some sequence of that of the sample contain the mini satellite sequences. So in this the mini satellite sequences we are designing in vitro some probes, and these the probes are, we are already discussed the single locus and the multiple locus probes. So we are adding these the probes in that of the sample. Okay, in this the sample it is binding or it is complementary to that of the mini satellite sequences. And the another point is that these probes are the radiolabel. So this जेव्हा हे बाइंड होणार त्या मिनी सॅटेलाइट सिक्वेन्सला, हे जे प्रोब्स आहे कसे आहेत, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी आहे कशाशी, त्या आपल्या सॅम्पल डीएनएच्या मिनी सॅटेलाइट सिक्वेन्सशी. ओके, and these are the complementary, these are those probes are the complementary that's binding to that of the mini satellite sequences, and these are the radiolabel, and it is the autoradiography technique, it emits the radiations. Okay, adding, next step is that the adding probe plus sample DNA. So sample DNA contain the mini satellite sequences, and these the probes are the complementary to that of the mini satellite sequences, and जेव्हा हे bind होतील जेव्हा mini satellite sequence ला, it producing the bands.